PCB designers are focused on designing for specification. What they're missing most of the time is those manufacturing capabilities that they need to consider within their design. As a result, what happens most of the time is that multiple interactions between the manufacturer and the design are happening.
Surprisingly enough, today, still, many of the designers don't run DFM in the design process. And even when they do run DFM, they use a very generic DFM constraint file, which is not specific to the manufacturing process. This results in the manufacturer detecting many issues around manufacturability, and the manufacturer has to now carry the cost and the time associated with fixing many of the issues detected.
You will be able not only serve your customers in a better way, but also get your designs faster to production.
PCBflow is a trusted, secured, collaborative, cloud-based environment for designers and manufacturers of PCB. As a PCB manufacturer, it allows you to collaborate with your designers, allowing them to share with you design files and allowing you to enable them to run quick and accurate DFM analysis. It's extremely secure and extremely easy to set up. As a cloud-based environment, it requires no installation and no software. With PCBflow, you can prevent the losses caused by false production. You can reduce repairs to up to 80%. Visit the PCBflow platform now, create a manufacturer profile, upload your DFM constraints, and invite your customers to run a DFM session today.